look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much to hold, just like them old stars. I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up when you're needing your space to do some navigating. I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn, some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be the one who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences that do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. In the end, it's still my friend. At least we didn't tend for us to war. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got, what I'm not, and who I am. Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, still looking up. Well, I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough enough. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. Giving you